Hello everyone, it's been a long time. I just keep coming up with more and more health issues. Anyways, I'm going to take you along while I reorganize and declutter my table. It has seriously been driving me insane, and we're going to get rid of this and put these elsewhere. So come along as I organize. It should be hopefully fun, and hopefully you guys it'll help you organize your desk. And I will be voice-overing the rest of it. All right, so I have a container to put trash in. And I just separate stuff that doesn't belong on the table versus stuff that does. I go from there. So here is, while you guys watch this, I'm just going to give you guys an update on what I've been going through. So since the beginning of the year, I have been dealing with really nasty migraines that has literally, I've been in my room, I wound up neurologist and all this stuff. I finally have them under control, and when they were doing the testing, they found out I have neuropathy in my feet. Very light case, nothing big. But we also found out I have an autoimmune disease, which would explain why I get so tired all the time. Like, all the time. I am so done being tired. Which also means I haven't been having the energy level to make videos as often as I would like to and to do what I want. Thank goodness my kids are driving now, so I don't have to do the drive my son to school, drive my son to dance, all that kind of stuff. He just takes my car and I stay home. The other thing is I have been also working on setting up a better storefront with different areas. So I started on TikTok a while back, and now I have a TikTok shop going. I have my Shopify account going. I started on another platform called Maker's Place by Michael's. Here what I'm doing is my sweet husband gave me one of his computer things to keep it up. The computer is actually one of his old computers because mine died. So I needed to set it up and put my charging cable because he has a device underneath, which I am so excited for. It's going to make having that so much easier because I have been using it a lot more with these business stuff. So you might start seeing vlog videos and all that kind of stuff. So right now I am gathering up, I started making a bunch of keychains and bookmarks and beatable pens and all those fun stuff. And so I'm moving my stuff that I've been leaving on my table and actually putting it away where it belongs. I've also been dealing with like buying acrylics, decorative like character acrylics, and turn those into keychains. It's been so fun. And making hair bows and stationery. I've been loving that. I just haven't been doing a lot of videos. And for me, that's hard because this is like my distress. And so that part's been a little frustrating. But it's okay. So I'm also weeding out the stuff that I don't need. Look at that cute keychain. I'll do a little short on my keychains. They're so fun. They're shaker keychains. So sometimes when I organize my desk, I go about and do the whole, okay, I like this here, I like this there, I don't like it. I use it for a little bit and change it. The setup I had for quite a while. And I needed to put my computer up on the desk so I can use it better. So I decided I'm just going to rearrange it. So I'm going to use this for a while and see how it works. I might wind up changing it. I might not. I don't know yet. But so far it's working pretty good. Hopefully it'll stay that way. So I am going to stop right here. My link's down below if you want to follow me on any of the other stuff. And you guys can just watch. At the end, I get really, really just tired. You can tell that I slow down. And this is actually going to be a part 2. So, because I couldn't get all this done in one fell swoop. It was too exhausting. So, hope you guys enjoy the rest of this. So, thank you for joining me. My energy level is done. Doesn't take much. This is about 23 minutes. And I'm done. I need a break. So this will be a part 2. And we'll take care of the other stuff. Thank you for watching and joining me. Think of subscribing. And I appreciate you guys all. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.